President Trump promised a shakeup at NASA. He demanded transparency, he wanted accountability, and he sought a bold vision for the future of American space exploration. This pledge for change culminated in a surprising nomination. Trump chose Jared Isaacman, a tech entrepreneur and space enthusiast, to lead NASA. Isaacman is not a career bureaucrat, he's a self-made billionaire. He is the founder of Shift4 Payments, a payment processing company. His nomination raised eyebrows, but Trump saw in him a disruptor. He believed Isaacman could inject much-needed energy into the agency. Isaacman's passion for space is undeniable. He holds multiple world records for speed flying. He even completed a historic mission. He commanded the first all-civilian spaceflight, Inspiration 4, aboard a SpaceX Crew Dragon capsule. This mission alone cemented his name in the annals of space exploration. The SLS dilemma a legacy grounded? NASA has long been criticized for its bureaucracy and cost overruns. The agency, once a symbol of innovation and exploration, now faces scrutiny over its management practices and financial inefficiencies. Nowhere is this more evident than with the Space Launch System, or SLS. This ambitious project, intended to be NASA's next-generation rocket, has become a focal point of controversy. The SLS is NASA's next-generation rocket, but it has been plagued by delays and ballooning costs. Originally envisioned as a cornerstone for deep space exploration, the project has faced numerous technical and administrative hurdles. Its development has drained resources from other programs. Critics argue that the funds allocated to the SLS could have been better spent on more innovative and cost-effective projects, potentially accelerating our journey to Mars or enhancing satellite technology. The legacy of NASA's past achievements, such as the Apollo missions, casts a long shadow over its current endeavors. The question remains, can NASA overcome these challenges and reclaim its position as a leader in space exploration? The future of space exploration depends on the ability to innovate and adapt. As NASA grapples with the SLS dilemma, the world watches, hoping for a breakthrough that will once again inspire generations to look to the stars. SpaceX and the rise of private spaceflight. While NASA grappled with the complexities and delays of the Space Launch System, SLS, private companies like SpaceX surged ahead, revolutionizing the space industry. SpaceX, with its innovative approach and ambitious goals, quickly became a leader in private spaceflight. SpaceX, founded by visionary entrepreneur Elon Musk in 2002, achieved remarkable success in a relatively short period. Musk's vision was to reduce space transportation costs and enable the colonization of Mars. Under his leadership, SpaceX has made significant strides in achieving these goals. One of SpaceX's groundbreaking achievements was the development of reusable rockets like the Falcon 9 and Falcon Heavy. These rockets can return to Earth and be launched again, drastically reducing the cost of space missions. The successful landings and reusability of these rockets have set new standards in the aerospace industry. SpaceX now regularly delivers payloads to space, including satellites for various purposes such as communication, weather monitoring, and scientific research. The company's ability to launch multiple payloads on a single mission has made space more accessible and affordable for many organizations. In addition to payloads, SpaceX has also been instrumental in transporting astronauts to the International Space Station, ISS. The Crew Dragon spacecraft developed by SpaceX has successfully carried astronauts to and from the ISS, marking a new era in human spaceflight. This collaboration with NASA has further solidified SpaceX's position as a key player in the space industry. Isaacman's vision: a leaner, bolder NASA. Jared Isaacman, a visionary entrepreneur and astronaut, has a clear and ambitious vision for NASA. He believes that the future of space exploration hinges on a more efficient and dynamic NASA, one that can adapt quickly to new challenges and opportunities. His approach is not just about cutting costs, but about making NASA more agile and responsive to the fast-paced advancements in space technology. Isaacman wants to streamline the agency by reducing unnecessary bureaucratic processes that often slow down progress. He envisions a NASA where decision-making is faster and projects move from concept to execution with greater speed and efficiency. This means empowering teams, fostering innovation, and creating a culture that embraces change and continuous improvement. Cutting bureaucratic red tape is a significant part of his strategy. Isaacman aims to eliminate outdated procedures and policies that hinder progress. By doing so, he believes NASA can become more competitive and better positioned to lead in the new space race. This involves not only internal reforms but also advocating for policy changes at the national level to support a more streamlined and effective space agency. A key element of Isaacman's vision is fostering partnerships with private companies like SpaceX. He understands that collaboration with the private sector can bring in fresh ideas, advanced technologies, and additional funding. By working closely with innovative companies, NASA can leverage their strengths and focus on its core missions. This symbiotic relationship is crucial for pushing the boundaries of what is possible in space exploration. With these partnerships, NASA can concentrate on its core strengths, deep space exploration and scientific discovery. This means more missions to the Moon, Mars, and beyond, as well as groundbreaking research that can expand our understanding of the universe. Isaacman believes that by focusing on these areas, NASA can achieve more significant milestones and inspire the next generation of scientists, engineers, and explorers. Under Isaacman's leadership, NASA may finally be poised for a new era of achievement. His vision of a leaner, bolder NASA is not just about doing more with less, but about doing better with what we have. By embracing efficiency, innovation, and collaboration, NASA can continue to lead the world in space exploration and scientific discovery, paving the way for a future where humanity reaches new heights.